up, my lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys already know I am here with another wig review. Yes, honey. And we are going to be talking about this beautiful, gorgeous, long, luscious, sleek, straight unit that I am rocking. And I received this hair from a company called Tinashe Hair. I will link all of their information down below, give you all the deets on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful unit. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So my final thoughts on this hair, I absolutely love it. This is like one of those, and I've actually been wanting a like super sleek, straight unit. So this is perfect. I love that this unit was super easy. You guys saw in the video, it's a 5x5" lace. So all I had to do was cut the lace just right there in the front and customize it. Like super easy. Really, 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 really easy. I also love that this hair does have a lot of parting space in the front. I think that makes it look more natural because it does have that long parting space in the front. And it's also somewhat pre-plucked. I did have to go in and pluck it just a little bit, do a little bit of customizing with the baby hair so that it looks more realistic to me. But yeah, it wasn't anything super hard. Another thing with this unit is that it is big head friendly, which I absolutely love. I love that like it gives you the adjustable straps in the back so you can tighten it, you can loosen it, and really make it fit your head shape and your head size. So that was a huge plus for me. And I love the length. I really love the length of this unit. This is an 18-inch. And I don't know, I love it. I like long, sleek hair. And this hair is really doing it for me. Another really big thing that I loved about this hair is the softness. Y'all, this hair is butter. Like butter. It is super duper soft, and also no shedding as well, which I loved. So yeah, though, like when I see a wig that doesn't have any shedding, no tangling, and it's super soft, like I automatically start falling in love. So I love that about this unit. I also love that Tinashe gives you a bunch of little freebies with your wig package, like I showed you guys in the video. Lots of cute little freebies that come with it, so I love that. One thing I didn't like about this hair is that it comes with like a lot of flyaways, so like little hairs that are like sticking up at the top, and I had to like really go in and use my flat iron, use my hot comb, put a little bit of mousse on it, put some water on it, put some flyaway balm. You know, I had to like put a lot of stuff to really get that hair to lay down. I did pluck a lot of it out, and I did cut a bunch of it out with my pair of scissors, but there were still like little pieces that were sticking up. So I would have to say another thing I wasn't crazy about with this hair is that it is a little thin. I wish it was a little bit more full, but it's not bad, you know. I don't know, I like really full hair, so I do wish it was a little bit fuller, but you know, this isn't bad. This is not bad at all. I mean, overall, this unit is great. Like I said, my only con so far is just those little flyaways at the top, but you know, there are ways to kind of work with that. And like I said, the fullness, I wish it was a little bit more full. Besides that, guys, this unit is really doing it for me. She is a beaut. She's very pretty. And I didn't even go in and cut any not bangs, but layers. At first I was thinking, oh, I want to cut some layers, some face framing layers. But I actually just I love the long sleekness of her. I don't want to touch her. I think she is gorgeous just the way she is. So, yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Huge shout out to Tinashe Hair for sending me this unit. I absolutely love her. And guys, make sure you follow them on social media. I will leave all of their information down below. And also, guys, make sure you're following me on social media. And I will catch up with you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.